So now let's start with the project planning process. As we discussed, there is some knowledge area as per the project management professional, starting with the project scope, which is describe what is required to finish the project, what is the work required and only required. And for the project schedule, it's caring about finish the project as per the planned schedule. Project cost management, how to finish your project within the assigned budget. Project quality management, how to manage the quality as per the client requirements. And project resource, what type of materials, what type of teams you have, and how to manage your project to finish within the assigned resources. Okay. For the project communication management, how you will communicate all the different stakeholders and what is the type of communication to transfer the information between the different stages of the projects. And project procurement management, how to make your contracts and what is the type of contracts you are using with the subcontractors. Project risk management, how can you plan your risk and how to identify your risk, plan your risk response and implement your risk response. Project stakeholder management, who are the stakeholders can affect on your projects and how to manage them. This is a summary for the knowledge area for the PMP. During the project planning phase, there is a specific process for each knowledge area for the planning phase. For the project management, for the scope, we have a plan scope, then collect the requirement, then define scope, and create work breakdown structure. For the project schedule management, we will start with the planning for the schedule management, how to schedule the plan and how to manage the schedule during the project. Then how to define the activities, estimation of the activity duration, sequence the activities and the relation between the activities, then develop the schedule. All this process in the planning process group. For the cost, starting with plan the cost management, how I'm going to plan or manage the cost during the planning, and estimate cost and determine the budget. Then for the quality, I will start with plan quality management. It's only one process during planning. And for project process management, starting with the plan of the resource, then estimate activity resource. For the communication, I have only one process, which is plan communication management. For procurement, the same, I have one process. For the risk, I have 5 processes, starting with plan risk management, identify which risk I will find in the project, perform the first qualitative analysis, then quantitative analysis, then plan risk response so I can implement in the project. For the project stakeholder management, I have only one process, which is plan stakeholder management. We will describe all this process in details for the next slides.